Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your app volume and device preference settings on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to go and select sound. And on the right side, you want to scroll down where it says volume mixer. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to go and select the reset sound devices and volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults. Select reset. And then once it's done, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.